as we prepare for this morning's reading. With the Monty Python fellas, we are back. Yeah. Stella is here. Stella! With the music of John Philip Sousa. Yes, folks. It was not Johann Strauss who provided the music yesterday. It was none other than John Philip Sousa. Da, 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 da. He's the guy who does all these kind of songs. Stella knows, she knows quality when she hears it. So we're getting ready. We got the guys from Monty Python here. They're back to harass me into doing a reading, and they're getting ready for that right now. Oh yeah. Good morning, boys. We'll take you flat on your back. We don't care what the fuck you do as long as you start a reading. All right. Stella! You know, Stella is all like, look at all the shit I can jump around in. Yeah. All this stuff on the bed. She's like, oh my God. Yeah. Well, that's kind of what this reading is. Yeah. There's an awful lot going on here. Awful lot. I guess this is our intro. Yeah. All right. This is really nuts. Yeah. It's okay. We're on the right path. We're doing great. We haven't lost power yet. We haven't started the reading. Yo, we started it. It's a day of adventure, my friend. A day of grand adventure. All right. John Philip Sousa, once again, the guy who you hear behind all of these Monty Python marches, the guy who you hear on the 4th of July, he is Mr. Marching Band. He is John Philip Sousa. How is that? Great. He's very happy. He didn't want Johann Strauss getting all the credit. I don't blame him. We did that yesterday. John Philip Sousa came in early this morning and he said, please tell her who I am. I had never heard of him. That is who did all of these amazing fucking songs that have been utilized with great wonder by the boys from Monty Python's Flying Circus. We welcome Bunny to the reading this morning. Good morning, Bunny. Good to see you. Good to have you back. Oh, the girls are running in here. It's a nut house. It's a fucking 3-ring circus is what it is. Look at this. So right now I'm understanding that my biggest challenge, it has been an insane preparation for this reading, and I still don't know what's happening here. Her biggest challenge is getting herself, her energy harnessed and focusing on the best course of action. It's not easy with this bunch, the Monty Python guys, but that's why we've enlisted them for this particular leg of the journey. So deep breaths, Lena. Take all the time you need. That's what the pause button is for. So right now, Bunny has informed Lena that she has to wash her hair before we can continue. Is that from direct orders from Bunny? It is direct orders from Bunny. All right. Well, we see now little Gladys here is really digging. She's here by her little house. And she's really digging this marching music. The animals get into it. They get into whatever scene is happening, and they feel the energy in here when we do a reading. So you got Bunny and Stella in the doorway. Baba, the big orange, is next to the bed here. You can't see him. Not from this camera angle. But you got those two there. You got this little girl here. And I've just been told by John and the home team that we've done all we need to do today as far as this particular point of the reading. That we're going to gather our reserves and do a little bit of meditation. And then later we're going to figure out. We have this whole box, another box filled with the Star Soul cards. We have our crystals. We're just gonna. We have our little candle there, just to show you. We're getting our divination ready for this afternoon's, because it is going to be an afternoon reading now. I am psyched because in the meantime we've paused the camera a couple of times. And I've taken my time, taken a shower. Just gotta feed the cats. It feels good. Very good, Lena. Yeah, there's no rush. Oh, and there's another box there that we're gonna be filling that box soon. But there's actually two boxes there. See, we made a lot of these. All of these boxes are hand-painted wooden boxes that we did as projects for our divination and for our crystals. Yeah. So we're going to be exploring all of these boxes in the days to come. Do you feel calm right now? I feel calmer than I have in a long time when we've been getting these readings in place. Yeah. Very good. That's what we need. I need that calm, steady flow of energy. Deep breaths. Yeah, it does. It feels good. The cats bring the calm too. Bobby! Look at the cute face on this baby. She is very much like Maisie, our cat that passed away last year. She reminds me so much of her. There's definitely a spark there. So look at those pieces. We haven't looked at those in a long time. Yeah, we're going to be re-examining all of these amazing pieces that we did. Those are the Eyes of Love, crystal and mosaic, all hand-painted, hand-done by Lena and myself. That mosaic is for my incarnation as young Daniel. Yes. Dragons at the gate, protecting me. Yes. Yeah, these are like... It's definitely a Daniel portrait in mosaic, yeah. Some Labradorite skulls up there. Lena hand-painted and hand-did that beautiful skull plaque. Everything you see is lovingly hand-done and needs dusting, yeah. And what's that up top? That is the other mosaic piece. The sister piece to that, to the Daniel piece. Yeah, this is all the saints. Hand painted the saints, by the way. They were plain beige resin. Yes. Hand glued each stone onto the mosaic. Each crystal. Those are our paintings. Much to show, much to share. So we'll be doing that, and in the meantime, rest up, because it's going to be a hell of a reading later. We got to figure out a few logistics. But we're on our way. We're on our way, kid. All right, thanks, baby. Praise be God and Mother. Happy Sunday, everyone. Good kickstart here with the band and the boys from the Monty Python crew and Philip Joseph Sousa, whatever. He's the best, the marching guy, exactly. God bless America. God bless America and the rest of the universe. That's right.